Downs are back in Hawaii. I'm back home in Hawaii. We're going foiling. I haven't taken out the ski in so long. Bought a new jet ski last month. Haven't really used it, so today we're using it. Hoku, my best friend since baby days, just learned how to downwind last week. He just cracked the code, so he's all frothed out. So take him on the ski. Gonna go outside Diamond Head, a couple miles out to sea and ride huge open ocean swells on our foils. So at Alawai Boat Harbor right now, launching the ski.
Stepping out, stepping out, stepping out. Open sesame, here comes Rastaman. Abacadabra, catch me if you can. I know you find it hard to believe that I am the genie of your lamp, and I can do anything you wish, but right now I'm commanding you to dance. Stepping out, stepping out. Oh, I'm stepping out, stepping out.
that was a sick little downwind sesh. Found out my keys were in my pocket the entire time. Good thing they're not floating at the bottom of the ocean. That was a new ski setup. Jerry.